It's that time of the month to create content calendars again. Let me show you how I do it. So my content calendar process is kind of broken into 3 phases. Phase 1 is more about research and social listening. The first step is looking at all of the post analytics and results from previous posts. I'm looking at all of the posts that have done really well and the posts that didn't do great. I'm looking at the content itself. What did we talk about in that post? I'm looking at the keywords and the tags in the content and in the caption. I'm looking at the style of content. Next, I'm going to do some keyword and tag research. I like to keep updated on this every month because things change so quickly. What I'm doing is making a list of every keyword and tag that pops up and is best for the brand. Making a list to make sure that I use that in the scripts of the videos and in the content and in the caption. Next, I'm going to do some social listening, which is just spending hours of my time on social media, which is what I'm doing anyways, but this time I have a purpose. What I'm looking for is posts from other creators that are doing really well, what other people are talking about. I'm spending time looking at their target audience and kind of learning what their pain points are and what they're asking. There's a lot of different things that I'm looking for here. Once all of this is put together, I go to my idea board, which I keep on Airtable. Let me show you. On Airtable, I just keep a running list of ideas that I have, and I update this throughout the month. So I kind of refer to this after I do a lot of social listening and put more ideas here, and this is what I'll use to plug into my calendar. Once I have all of my ideas in place, I plug that into my calendar, which I also use on Airtable. First, I map out all of my content requirements on a monthly view. I'll just start filling out the notes section with all of my ideas that I have on my ideas tab. I also take into consideration anything else that we're doing, any other campaigns or influencer work or emails or anything like that, and bring that into social as well. That's a quick summary of phase 1 of my content calendar process. Follow along for part 2.